is not that a Shukla boy from the Air Force on his merit and strenuous training went to space. The sad part is that the Congress dragged us back to the earth with its dirty politics. The इतिहास गवाह है कि अंबेडकर को they made sure that Ambedkar lost every election that he contested. Nehru himself, went and did the rally against Ambedkar in Mumbai. They denied Ambedkar. They denied Ambedkar his last rights.
It is not
Ambedkar was never given
we are telling
a state.
We as a nation should provide equal opportunity to everyone for every sect. Country should not limit to the 10% who are privileged.
I'm all for equal opportunity. I want Mr. Udit Raj to achieve what Shubhanshu Shukla achieved. Over 2,000 hours of flight experience across several military aircraft, Sukhoi, MiG-21, MiG-29, Jaguar. He had recognized skills as a test pilot, technical acumen and risk management, strong academics. He has a master's in aerospace.
Is he the only person who has achieved this?
He was the best amongst many.
Is it a gold medal race?
He was a retired bureaucrat. वो भी retired bureaucrat रहे हैं.
I'm not against champion.
If landing with the foot in your mouth.
I'm very happy that he projected our country.
आपके आर्गुमेंट की बात करो. आपने कहा कि दलितों को और आदिवासियों को सही हक मिलना चाहिए. सुनो नहीं मेरी बात तो करना चाहिए ना. When a first woman tribal president is insulted by the Congress party and the Congress party chief.
Nobody insulted.
परिवारवाद से क्या बोला आपने?
Called her the राष्ट्रपति.
क्या बोला आपने?
Was it not the Congress party?
Slip of tongue था.
नहीं,
Slip of tongue था. मुर्मा किसने बोला?
नहीं ये गलत बात है.
किसने बोला?
देखिए,
the president of this country has been time and again insulted by the Congress party, and you are giving letters to the others.
I vouch for a Dalit or an OBC to be on this panel. A retired
bureaucrat, a former member of parliament.
You should leave this panel.
जिस आदमी ने contribute किया, आपको उदित राज जो है,
I tell you what, you need to leave this panel because an opportunity needs to be given to a Dalit, an ST or OBC. When are you leaving? Please, is there no Dalit who can speak like you?
Let's vote. All right. I want to ask you one question, Vivek Srivastava.
Yes.
You believe Dalits and tribals should be supported?
Yes.
You believe?
Yes.
When President Murmu was standing for election, why did the Congress and the left parties not support her? Why did they prop up their own candidate, Yashwant Sinha, who is from an upper caste?
No, even earlier when there was a presidential candidate, हमने कैप्टन लक्ष्मी सहगल को फील्ड किया था.
मैं इसकी बात कर रही हूँ.
मैं उसकी भी बात करूंगा. मैं दोनों की बात करूंगा ना. आपको नियत तो बता दूं मैं.
फर्स्ट ट्राइबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया.
क्योंकि ये जरूरी था मोदी को रोकना और यशवंत सिन्हा के चांसेस थे. और मोदी साहब की जो चॉइस थी हम उसके खिलाफ थे, हम मुर्मू के खिलाफ नहीं थे, प्रेसिडेंट के खिलाफ.
कमाल है. So because a tribal is backed by Modi, the tribal becomes bad and they become good. Karan Verma, how's that for logic? How's that for logic? Modi was supporting a tribal, so we will not support the tribal.
आपको पता है नाविका जी, ये विवेक जी यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, इनके पॉलिट ब्यूरो में इतने साल के इतिहास में पहला दलित मेंबर अभी आया है 2022 में, रामचंद्र दोम जी. आपने अपने किसी दलित को
सेक्रेटरी डी
पॉलिट ब्यूरो में आपने कभी एंट्री नहीं दी. पॉलिट ब्यूरो की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. You never gave entry into the पॉलिट ब्यूरो. एंड नाविका जी, आज तक अश्विनी मिश्रा जी की पार्टी ने कभी क्यों नहीं एक राष्ट्रपति बनाया दलित? कभी क्यों नहीं पिछड़े वर्ग का बनाया? इन्होंने बनाया.
एक मिनट.
No prime minister by the Congress party has been a Dalit. Why is it Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, and P.V. Narasimha Rao, whose dead body was also kept outside the Congress office?
Sitaram Kesri. How did
Sitaram Kesri. And how are they treating Kharge? वो बेचारे पानी भी पूछ के पीते.
कांग्रेस पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट इज
प्राइम मिनिस्टर, माइनॉरिटी प्रेसिडेंट, माइनॉरिटी चीफ मिनिस्टर, मुसलमानों तक को बनाया. क्या बात कर रहे हो? दलितों को रिजर्वेशन दिया और मुसलमान हैं कौन? वही दलित जिन्होंने इस्लाम अपनाया.
नहीं, इन्होंने किसको बनाया?
और क्या?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
प्रदीप भंडारी.
बिल्कुल. क्या हो गया आपको? कितने मुख्यमंत्री आपने कितने कर दिए मुसलमानों को?
Okay, now allow him to come.
60% SC, ST, OBC मंत्रालय में है सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर, छोड़िए। आपने बोला कि भाई मुर्मू जी जब मोदी जी की चॉइस थी, आपकी दिक्कत क्या है कि एक ओबीसी प्रधानमंत्री ने एक ट्राइबल विमेन प्रेसिडेंट फर्स्ट बनाए, ये आपकी दिक्कत है। और जब वो बन गई उसके बाद इंसल्ट,
हमारी दिक्कत है,
आपने विरोध किया।
हमारी दिक्कत है ये दो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोजीशन
आपने
ग्राउंड लेवल पे आप बैकवर्ड हो, दलितों के लिए कुछ नहीं कर रहे।
विवेक जी घुमाइए
I really don't get it.
आरक्षण खत्म करना चाहते हैं।
When
ये है आपका।
somebody from
30 seconds please if you
okay.
हाँ, इन्होंने बोला ग्राउंड लेवल पे क्या हो रहा है।
आप आरक्षण खत्म
बिल्कुल।
करना चाहते हैं, मेरा
एक
एक्यूजेशन
सेकंड,
है।
अरे भाई बात सुन लो।
आप ब्राह्मणिकल
एक सेकंड।
सुप्रीमेसी में विश्वास रखते हैं।
एक बात सुनिए।
संघ ब्राह्मणिकल सुप्रीमेसी
एक सेकंड।
हिंदू सुप्रीमेसी में विश्वास रखता है।
जी,
ये आपका एजेंडा
कुछ
है।
नहीं होगा। You are not going to get anything. 11 crore toilets, maximum beneficiaries happen to be from the SC, ST, OBC वर्ग।
वो तुम्हें देना पड़ेगा भाई।
मुद्रा लोन,
वो अम्बेडकर के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के हिसाब से देना पड़ेगा। वो एहसान नहीं है, वो एहसान थोड़ी है।
Why did they not provide it for 70 years?
सबसे ज्यादा। और इन्होंने क्या किया नाविका
बहुत कुछ
जी,
किया।
जामिया और अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी से SC, ST रिजर्वेशन हटाने का पाप इन लोगों ने किया। They removed it only for the Muslims. Why did you do that? वहां पे होता था SC, ST रिजर्वेशन। कर्नाटका में blanket reservation to the Muslims in OBC. You did it.
Ashwini,
You have done it.
Yes, Ashwini, please defend yourself. Is there a fig leaf that you can hide your?
You have taken away
actions
SC,
with?
ST reservation. Article 370
Navika ji,
removal.
the
You were against
problem
it.
is-
It stood for
Navika
SC,
ji,
ST
the
reservation.
problem
What is your problem? What is
not
your
my problem.
Yes,
The problem
you said the problem.
The problem of Bharatiya Janata Party is for them the whole nation is shrink to that 10% of the population who are privileged, who are having money, who are industrialized. They don't have about the rest 90%. You told in your example itself we are the fourth largest economy, but you are not looking at the conditions of people. You yourself is giving 5 किलो राशन 85 करोड़ लोगों को दे रहे हो। लोगों को भूखों मर रहे हैं लोग भूखों मर रहे हैं। 90% लोगों की बात करो जो अनप्रिविलेज्ड गरीब है, उनकी आप कोई रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं। Not talking about anything about them.
Well, there are questions coming. Pradeep, when you answer his question, please take questions from the audience as well. G. Subramaniam says, India Alliance can't digest Shukla's success. Yes, because they don't see the achievement. They see the surname. Ved Prakash Sharma says, Mr. Udit Raj, merit matters and not chaplusi. Well, Desh Pandey, another example of a rotten mindset. This is what people are really saying. Pradeep Bhandari, have they lost their logic?
Navika ji, they have lost because they have lost 90 elections. They continue to lose. I'll just point a simple fact. For the first time in the history of independent India, 60% of the central ministers are from the SC, ST, OBC community. Can the Congress party, which has ruled the government for 60 years, tell me one instance where they've even given 50% reservation to the SC, ST, OBC? Point number one. Point number two, Vivek Srivastava said that when Draupadi Murmu ji was not the president but president-elect, please tell me after she became the president, first woman tribal president, she has been insulted repeatedly by the Congress party.
Given her all
When
the
has
respect.
Communist Party
We have
of
given her
China
all the
and
respect.
India, quote unquote, has rebutted to it?
We have
Point
given her
number
all the
two.
respect.
Sir, you tell us when.
आपके कितने मिनिस्टर्स मुसलमान हैं ये बताइए। यूपी में कितने विलेज माइनॉरिटी कौन है ये बताइए आप।
ये आ गया वोट बैंक।
बिल्कुल आऊंगा मैं इस देश के वोट बैंक।
1 minute, gentlemen. 1 minute, gentlemen. We are talking about astronauts here, and they are asking, how many Muslim ministers do you have? Ladies and gentlemen,
deprived class
I
है।
don't get it. Do you get it? Do they actually not see an astronaut who's gone through rigorous practice, huge achievements before he's been chosen to go on Axiom 4 and to be at the International Space Station? What they see is a surname, Shukla, and then is it their point that because he's a Shukla, he should not have gone? Does merit mean nothing? And we ask this question.